He's attacking you. He never gives up. Sounds like a buffalo. Let him up.
He's like, I love you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. I like to hug you.
Logan. Get him, Dozer. Get him, boy. Get him, Dozer. Here, get down to his level there. Here, just lay down and let him attack you. Just lay down and let him attack you. There you go. Now he don't know what to do. Well, you all wore out already, boy? What's the matter? What's the matter? You slime you?
Hello.
You big lazy dog. Get him. Get him. Get him, boy. Get him. Urgh. 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 Now you don't know what to do. I wouldn't put his head between your legs if I was you. Not a good idea. It doesn't take him long to get wore out, does it? Give him a heart attack. Gonna give him a heart attack. There he is. You having fun? Getting some exercise? Okay, I think he's done. I think he's done. Are you done, boy?